anorak, anorak, anorak. She wore a red anorak to keep warm in the rain. Apron, apron, apron. My mom put on her apron before cooking. Baby grow, baby grow, baby grow. The newborn baby looked so cute in his blue baby grow. Beanie, beanie, beanie. He wore a beanie to keep his head warm in winter. Bib, bib, bib. The baby's bib was covered in food after lunch. Onesie, onesie, onesie. She bought a soft onesie for her newborn. Booties, booties, booties. The handmade booties kept the baby's feet warm. Cagoule, cagoule, cagoule. He carried a cagoule in case it rained. Diaper, diaper, diaper. She changed the baby's diaper after lunch. Mittens, mittens, mittens. The child wore mittens to keep his hands warm. Overalls, overalls, overalls. He wore overalls while working in the garage. Romper suit, romper suit, romper suit. The baby looked adorable in her pink romper suit. Sailor suit, sailor suit, sailor suit. The little boy looked adorable in his sailor suit. Sleep suit, sleep suit, sleep suit. The baby was dressed in a soft cotton sleep suit. A-line skirt, A-line skirt, A-line skirt. She paired her A-line skirt with a white blouse. Blouse, blouse, blouse. She wore a silk blouse to the meeting. Bustier, bustier, bustier. She chose a black bustier for the evening party. Button through, button through, button through. She wore a button-through dress for a casual look. Dress, dress, dress. She bought a beautiful red dress for the wedding. Kaftan, kaftan, kaftan. She wore a colorful kaftan on the beach. Cloak, cloak, cloak. The wizard wore a long black cloak. Culotte, culotte, culotte. She wore a pair of culottes for a comfortable yet stylish look. Dressing gown, dressing gown, dressing gown. He put on his dressing gown after a hot shower. Dungarees, dungarees, dungarees. She wore denim dungarees for a casual day out. Evening dress, evening gown, evening dress, evening gown, evening dress, evening gown. She looked stunning in a red evening gown. Formal dress, formal dress, formal dress. She wore a formal dress to the charity event. House dress, house dress, house dress. She changed into a comfortable house dress after work. Jumper, jumper, jumper. He wore a wool jumper to stay warm in winter. Leggings, leggings, leggings. She paired her leggings with a long sweater. Leotard, leotard, leotard. The dancer wore a black leotard during practice. Maternity dress, maternity dress, maternity dress. She bought a maternity dress for her growing belly. Miniskirt, miniskirt, miniskirt. She wore a stylish miniskirt to the party. Night dress, night dress, night dress. She put on a silk nightdress before going to bed. Pinafore dress, pinafore dress, pinafore dress. The little girl looked cute in her pinafore dress.